Hi guys, it's Jamie with JVI Secret Gardens, and I'm here with our 2021 holiday gift guide. If you've got a gardener or houseplant lover in your life, you might be wondering what to get on this holiday season. And I am here with a few ideas. So we're gonna start off with seeds. Seeds are great. They're nice and cheap. You can get a variety of them, and then they get to grow herbs. They get to start veggies, whatever you want. Give them a variety, and then they've got a head start on their garden for the spring. Also, they might need a new set of gloves. They might already have a pair, but if they're a good gardener, they've probably worn through them over the season. We have insulated gloves in case they want to do any winter gardening. We've got these cute little terrariums. They're basically a garden in a jar. They look great on the shelf, and they're fun to watch grow over the winter. Plus, they add a nice pop of color in your house. You can also get them these cute little seasonal houseplants. These Christmas cactus, again, add a nice little pop of color, and they're fun. These can last for years and grow huge. Look them up online, they're gorgeous. Also, I don't know a gardener alive that can't use a few new hand tools. I misplace mine constantly, so having multiples helps me out. Any gardener is gonna be grateful for a new spade or a hand shovel. Biotone, everybody needs Biotone. I always have a bag of it in my basement, so I'm never gonna turn down a bag of this great root starter for whatever I'm planting. Finally, if you're out of ideas, get them a gift card to our garden center. They're available in any denomination, and they're good for 2 years after the purchase date. They're perfect for anybody because they can come in at any time of the year and get what they want. And that's not all. We also have a great selection of indoor and outdoor pottery. We've got houseplants, and if you want to get them something special, we've got trees and different shrubs they can plant now and enjoy them in the spring. And if you can't make up your mind on what to get them, make them a cute little gift basket just like this. You can put it in a cute little terracotta pot, and bonus, you don't even have to wrap it. That's all I've got for today. Y'all know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you put together a cute little gift basket for the gardener in your life, let us know. Tell us what you like to get or what you like to give. And that's all I've got. Happy holidays from JVI Secret Gardens. Stay warm, y'all.